You're watching The Travel Deck, and today we're talking about one of the boldest gambles in aviation right now. Emirates has just dropped a $38 billion bombshell on the industry. They've ordered 65 more Boeing 777X jets, bringing their total commitment to an unbelievable 270 777X aircraft. That's the biggest order for a single wide-body type we've ever seen. But here's the wild part. The 777X still isn't certified. It's already 7 years late, and Boeing is only now entering the next major phase of testing. So why is Emirates doubling down on a plane that isn't even flying passengers yet? Let's break it all down. At the 2025 Dubai Air Show, Emirates announced this massive top-up order: 65 additional Boeing 777-9 aircraft, powered by the giant G9X engines, with deliveries planned through the 2030s. On paper, at list prices, the new order alone is worth $38 billion. The deal also includes options to convert some of these jets into the smaller 777-8 or a future 777-10, a stretch version that Boeing hasn't officially launched yet. In other words, Emirates isn't just buying airplanes. It's shaping the future of the entire 777X family. So what exactly is the Boeing 777X? It's the next-generation evolution of the Boeing 777. It features an all-new composite wing with folding wingtips, the record-breaking G9X engines, and a stretched fuselage on the 777-9, designed to carry more than 400 passengers. It will become the largest twin-engine passenger aircraft in the world, designed to replace high-capacity jets like the 777-300ER, and to take over some of the roles once filled by the Airbus A380. But the big problem is delays. The 777X was originally supposed to enter service in 2020. It is now expected no earlier than 2027. That's a 7-year delay, driven by new FAA certification requirements, problems uncovered during early testing, and several rounds of production setbacks. The good news is that Boeing has recently moved into Phase 3 of certification flight testing, which is the largest and most critical stage of the process. That milestone is one of the key reasons Emirates felt confident enough to place this new order. To understand why Emirates is making such a huge bet, you have to look at their fleet and their business model. Emirates operates around 269 aircraft, almost all of them wide bodies. That includes one of the world's largest fleets of Airbus A380s and Boeing 777-300ERs. Dubai's geographic location makes it the perfect global hub, and Emirates' strategy relies on carrying large numbers of passengers between continents through Dubai with maximum efficiency. For that strategy to work, Emirates needs big airplanes. But the A380 is no longer in production. Those jets will start aging out during the next decade. The 777-300ER fleet is also getting older. Emirates needs a large, efficient, long-range aircraft to replace both models, and the 777-9 and eventually the 777-10 are currently the only realistic options. Right now, Emirates has one of the most aggressive order books in the world. On top of its current fleet, it has 367 new aircraft on order, 270 777-9s, 52 Airbus A350-900s, 10 Boeing 777 freighters, and 35 Boeing 787s. Over the next 10 to 15 years, Emirates will transition from an A380 and 777-300ER-based fleet to a 777X and A350-based fleet. If every 777X is eventually delivered, Emirates will operate the largest single-type wide-body fleet in aviation history. The new order also gives Emirates enormous flexibility. They can convert some 777-9s into the ultra-long-range 777-8 or into the future 777-10 if Boeing decides to launch it. The -10 would offer even more seating capacity and could replace the A380 on some of Emirates' highest demand routes. At the same time, industry rumors suggest that Emirates could still order the Airbus A350-1000 if Boeing faces more delays, so the airline is keeping its competitive options open. For Boeing, this order is a lifeline and a huge responsibility. It shows that Emirates still believes in the 777X program but it also raises the stakes. Boeing cannot afford further delays. The company has spent the last several years dealing with production issues, regulatory pressure, and reputational damage. The 777X needs to enter service successfully if Boeing wants to retain its leadership in the wide-body market. For Emirates, the risk is clear. They're depending heavily on an aircraft that still isn't certified. Any major delay could leave the airline with aging A380s, older 777-300ERs, and a potential gap in capacity. But the airline has likely secured significant flexibility, options, and compensation in its negotiations. Emirates knows its leverage, and Boeing knows they need Emirates. So what does this all mean? Emirates is fully committed to big, efficient, long-haul jets. The 777X is central to its future, and this massive order reinforces that. Boeing now has the chance to prove that the 777X will deliver on its promises. If everything goes well, the 777X will define the next era of long-haul flying, just like the A380 and the 777-300R did before it. If not, it could become one of the most complicated fleet stories in aviation history. What do you think? Is Emirates making a smart long-term move? Or is this a risky bet on a delayed program? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the Travel Deck for more aviation deep dives.